Welcome to Cincinnati, Ohio. Just passing through here on their way to Grove City, Ohio. A little bit of construction going on here, a little bit of traffic. I didn't get to film yesterday backing into the dock. I wish I could have. It was just kind of rushed. They had a dock that was broken, so I had to pull in one, and they said it was broken. I had to pull into another, so I just didn't have everything set up. I apologize about that, but so in case you've never been to Cincinnati, or you have been to Cincinnati, this is Cincinnati. So doing some construction on this bridge right here. That's Cincinnati City to our right, which you can't see right now, but
in a quarter mile, keep right
there's
onto
the
I-71 north.
Cincinnati Bengals. They play right there at the stadium. Entering Ohio.
Keep right onto I-71 north.
Gotta keep left over here.
Now crossing into Ohio,
I could have stayed right there in that lane. Yeah, come back over. So that's where the Bengals play right there, it looks like. Cincinnati Bengals. That's kind of strange. I don't remember if I think I've been through this through Cincinnati like this before. I'm almost positive I have. I think I took pictures before. It's kind of cool sometimes going through cities. One time I went through Chicago on a Friday night, and it was raining. It was horrible, and full traffic and everything. And that was back when I was with my my trainer, so I didn't have my camera then, but that was kind of crazy. I think we took Route 90, I believe it was. Yeah, so this isn't too bad. Not a lot of traffic right here, of course, but in the beginning there was. But in any case, some cities you gotta go through. They let you through the city. Some don't. Some you have to. Like Cincinnati, you have to go through if you want to take 71 straight on through. Hope everybody's having a good day, and we're going to continue the filming. Again, I picked up in, let's see, where did I pick up? Sterlite. I always forget which town that's in, but it's in Alabama. Birmingham, that's it. So picked up in Birmingham, Alabama, and we're taking Sterlite, which are containers, plastic containers you buy in Walmart and stuff like that. So I got about, it's funny, I usually take about 12,000 pounds. I only have about, I think it's 8,900 pounds, so I'm very, very light. Taking these up to Grove City, Walmart, DNC. So it's not a store, it's their actual distribution warehouse. That's where I'm taking them. So, and then, so I'll do some filming of backing in and stuff to Walmart. And then I'm going to pick up an empty, take it over to Columbus, Ohio, and pick up at Big Lots. So we're going to take Big Lots down to an actual store in North Carolina, and that's a 6 a.m. live unload. So I'm going to drive partially today, stop somewhere, West Virginia or something like that, heading on down North Carolina, and then I'll drive all day tomorrow. Now, I'll get there tomorrow afternoon, late afternoon, or even early afternoon, depending what time I leave. I'm going to try to see if I can unhook, put the trailer in their dock, and then have them start and unload at 6 o'clock, and then I'll just stay like at a Love's or a Pilot or a TA for the night, and then I'll come back in the morning after they're done unloading. I'll see if I can do that. I'll talk to a manager. Sometimes they have trucks that come in, so I won't be able to block the dock, but I'm going to see what I can do. So, but in any case, so I thought I'd just film a little bit of Cincinnati, the city itself, and I will pick back up again when we get to the Walmart in Grove City, and it looks like we'll be there about 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. It's now about 10:40 in the morning, so I will catch you all then. All right, talk to y'all soon. Take care. All right, everybody, we made it to Walmart in Grove City, Ohio. So now we're looking for L2 to drop this trailer. I think before I put it in J, so this time I'm going to L. So let's see. Just gotta find it here. This looks like C1 and 2. Remember, it was like down here where I put it before. It was kind of down here straight to the left. Let's see. So G, C, H. Let's see that far. That's all H over there. Continue on down here. There's L. That's what I was saying place to put it before. I thought it was J. It's L2. And we'll just put it in any spot. Doesn't make a difference. They just want it anywhere in the L2 area. So let's see what we got down here. F. And then our empties are over to the left. So we'll pick up an empty. They didn't tell us to move our tandems, so I'm not moving my tandems. So let's see what we got here. I don't see any empty spots. There's one down there, I think. That's pretty darn tight, and we're going to do that. Might have to go around and drop it just before L2 because that spot was pretty darn tight. There was a spot before L2, but that spot there was going to be just way too tight to put her in. So I'll just find something before that. try this again. Nice night trailer right there. I'll just put it right there. That's not the right spot. So let's go down a little bit further. Just don't want to put it in that tight spot. I don't know if I can get the handle down. To get the landing gear down, that's a problem. Let me see this one here. Try this spot right up here. I don't think this is the one that I had before now. So let's see how these look here. She's kind of tight. Yeah, she's tight. Let's try the other one. Let's do that one. Try to put her in here. Let's see how she goes. It's still tight, but we're gonna try it. Let's see what we can do here, boys. Got enough room on the right. We just got to get those tandems right in there. Or else we're going to hit the trailer on the other side. We don't want to do that. So we'll start bringing her around now. Do a little pull up here to get her in a little straighter. Get underneath of her. Oh, a little more. That way we don't hit the trailer on this side or the other side. So she's gonna be close. Now we get underneath of her so she straightens out. And we got her. Yeah, it's just barely enough room to disconnect the trailer, but we're right about there. All right, let's put us off duty here real quick, and we'll disconnect her. He told me to submit these over in, there's actually 2 lots now, he said. We'll look in the first one that I know of. But I could barely fit through here. It's tight. And of course, it's a hard cranker. And there's no room here to crank this down. She's tight, boys and girls. Alright, give her a crank back a little bit. Oh, tight. Alright, release the fifth wheel kingpin. There we go. I heard it. Pull off from underneath of her. There she goes. Okay, alright. Let's go find an empty.